Hello everyone, welcome konkamera.com. Well boys, I think he was driving the boat wrong or dozing off. When you can afford an engine for a boat, do the same as him. A jet ski is running at high speed and deliberately wetting everyone on the boat. He did it twice and left. He a madman.
NANI?!
Are you seeing a convertible driving in the water? That's awesome. If he adding wings to it, it's even better. A fishing boat has run aground and they are trying to rescue it. Why did it run aground and who made it around? They pulled off the rock about an hour before low tide. Now we are going to have an unbelievable parking situation.
NANI?!
The driver asked himself, why is this stone here? And this is probably the most unique way of parking I ever seen. A Ferrari car ran a red light and collided with a pickup truck. This is a very basic collision.